So, we're at my mom's store again.
Oh, no.
It was his birthday yesterday. And we are here. Look at my. We are here to cut his cake.
Este pastel es cortesía
Feo se ve el
de
pastel.
Betty Lara,
Qué
la
feo.
cocinera.
Qué feo.
Venga, Vilma. Vente un ratito, please. Así, venite. Que está...
Qué feo ese pastel, no, hombre.
Está envidioso.
Happy birthday to Luna.
Acércate más para acá. Acércate, vente, para que lo
What
agarre.
quiere Luna?
Javi,
¿Por qué Luna?
Ok. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Cha, cha, cha.
Happy, dear Hugo. Happy birthday to you. He still gets a happy birthday even though he's 32 years old.
Una mordida. Una mordida. Una mordida. Karen, help him out. He can't cut cake. No. Oh, you.
Ay, cuidado con la cuchara.
Karen. No, Karen. Me asustaron la niña. I still didn't get her. But they got me.
Oh, my baby got scared.
Oh, he got his own nose. Hey! Really?
Mom!
I gotta cut it.
Hola, hola, hello. Today we are at the mall.
We forgot the stroller.
So she's hot because I'm making her carry Luna. Just some final Christmas shopping with my viejita over here. So Brie, what is the problem right now?
People are dummies
Why are they dummies?
because they don't know how to listen.
What are you talking about? Was he complaining about the price?
There's no tag on there, so
I will continue. Oops. I'm literally on the floor right now because we have been waiting inside this Macy's for 30 minutes to check out. I'm about to give up and just leave these items and leave. I prefer online shopping 10 times more.
but it
I
takes
just can't
longer
do
to
this.
get here.
It takes longer to get here, yes, but I just can't stand shopping.
Well, that's because you didn't bring the stroller and you have to carry Luna.
Yeah, and I didn't bring her the stroller, so Luna has been a pain in the butt.
Okay, let's go.
My arms are on fire.
Your
I'm just ready to go. I've been carrying her the most. Y'all have been walking around the mall. Guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I have the phone close to me. We have been at the mall. My feet are killing me. The reason why I'm a little restless is because we didn't bring Luna's stroller, so that has made it very hard to keep this little one still. Plus, she's extremely tired. She hasn't had a nap, so she's hungry. And the noise in the background is because we are at the Cheesecake Factory with all of us. Hugo, and then my mom's over there. She's just really sleepy. Oh my gosh, I have no energy, but I'm so hungry, so I can't wait to get my food. I'm still deciding what I want to eat. Okay, so I started and I forgot to record. I got the Thai curry coconut lime something chicken. It is a taste that I have never tasted before, but it's not bad. Not my favorite, but I can eat it. Hugo, what did you get?
I don't remember.
Something Louisiana.
Yeah, something like that. It's good.
My mom and Luna back there. Iris got a humongous cheddar burger. Brian got carne asada. She's so stuffed she can't even feel her tummy anymore. What'd you get, baby?
Jambalaya.
Jambalaya. You didn't like the meatballs?
What in the freaking heck is wrong with you?
that? You squeeze the tomato. Oh.
All over me. Embryonic.
Oh my gosh. It's okay, sweetheart.
Oh my God.
Why'd you put the light?
Yeah, dude. Just kill the setting.
The romantic setting is gone.
Mom, she's learning how to eat like mamita yaya.
I know. I know. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at her sweater. Oh my God. Guys, this is the makeup that Iris did on me today. So if you want to see her do my makeup, go on my YouTube channel. Good afternoon. It is 1:22 p.m. December 25th. The day of Christmas. We went to sleep at like 4:30 in the morning. And then my dear old husband, Dennis, wakes me up at 11. The day I can sleep in. Because Luna was sleeping in because she fell asleep all late too. Like, I think she fell asleep at 2 a.m.
There's no sleeping in on Christmas Day, honey.
But we open gifts overnight. We don't open them in the morning. So this is me in bed. I'm wearing one of my presents already. My cousin Fernando got me a Victoria's Secret PJ set and I love it. I'm tired. I have a headache. I think my blood pressure is up right now. Oh, I finally made it downstairs. My feet hurt. This place is a mess. So little presents left. And I gotta clean up. That was a gift that we got my mom. Between us 5. So, yeah. Look at this. Look at this. We got chairs everywhere. Oh, Lord. Look at my kitchen. Okay, so I am going to get to cleaning, eating. Look at her PJs. We're all in PJs. So let's get to cleaning, y'all.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't wanna be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way, gonna let the past burn down. Cause honestly, don't wanna be stuck in boring conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated if I listen to my heart. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
So Luna, I forgot one more present.
I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'll